Hey guys, welcome everybody. First day of a new month, and the reason for this video is I want to give you a little of my experience so far in the ATM business. Now, I have been accused of being an expert, but after 90 days, that was not the accusation I put on myself. That was through an internet troll. So, in any stretch of the imagination, have I ever deemed myself an expert in ATM business placement? That's completely not true. I'm learning right along with you, but I want to share what kind of happens, what transpires with ATMs when you get started. I remember back in the day, Pac-Mans and pinball machines, the kids would see you coming up the street with the pickup truck and they would beat you to the location. There was so many people that the first couple of weeks, a lot of times kids didn't even have a chance to play because there was such a lineup. So anyways, this was in a heavy metropolitan area. I was in San Jose, California, and I was in the east side. It was some of the best spots. But anyways, where I'm going with this is ATMs start differently. People need to know, they need to learn that they're there, and that's why I really promote and push signage. You can buy a lot of ATM signs, different styles, on Amazon. Anywhere from a sticker that goes on the door to a lit up sign that goes in the window. I encourage you to offer your location one of these signs, hang it for them, plug it in, tuck the wires away so nobody knocks it down. And, in other words, promote your own business. You've already spent $2,400 on the ATM. Spend another $50 on a nice lit up sign that, draws people in. You'll get that money back tenfold. But anyways, so what happens is, and this is with most of my 6 new spots. I have 6 ATMs out, and these are all new placements. In other words, we didn't go in where there was somebody prior. These are all brand new spots. And my rep told me, he said they're going to start off usually slow, get a swipe or two, maybe nothing, swipe or two, and they're going to gradually build up. So that's exactly what happened. I'm going to show you the back end of one spot that had a good day yesterday. Now today is actually not the first of the month, it's the 2nd of February, but I'm going to show you the stats for the 1st of February. And this is something I didn't really consider, but people get paid on the 1st and the 16th. These withdrawals yesterday were all on the high side. Now last week in this very same spot, last Thursday, Friday, 28th, 29th, 30th of the prior month, which would be January, there was a ton of $20 and $40 withdrawals. So does that mean people were low on money toward the end of the month? They were waiting to get paid? Because as soon as the first hit, i.e. yesterday, I'm going to show you what the withdrawal amounts were. So it's kind of fascinating. So let me, I'm going to hold my camera over my my monitor here so I can show you. And I've had to be kind of cautious about any personal information which is not able to be shown here. So, all right, now that I can see, I hope this is somewhat legible. Let me get something to point with. So as you can see, the day started off, these are all the same day. These are all 2/1 of 22. Actually, that's the last swipe, 6:50 in the evening. They go this way. This is the first one. When they opened at 12:27, I think they opened at 11 or 12. Anyways, so the first swipe, you see the amounts over here. 200, 100, 100, 60, 100, 200, 200, and then 3 times somebody checked their balance. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 7 approved transactions. They consider that 10 transactions, but I look at it as 7 because there was only 7 times where the surcharge was charged. So anyways, not bad. The average we've been running here is about 4 or 5 approved transactions per day, which runs just a little bit over the average of 130 per month. This spot maybe is going to fall in around 145, which is great because it's over the average. You do the math, multiply that by $3, and you've got a nice location. They're doing, over $400 for you in a month's time. So anyways, let me finish off here, and we'll tell you how the rest of the experiences are going with the ATM. I have not, sorry about that, I have not had any issues. I have not had any complaints. We've had no out of orders. We've had no service issues, no complaints. Nobody has called the parent hosting company saying, gee, something happened. Once again, if you ever do get a bill jam, and I go through my bills, I know it might take a little bit longer, but I straighten the corners and I take out the real soft bills. So anyways, guys, it's been a success so far. We're looking forward to expanding. I have told my hosting company that in the year 2022 that I would bring 100 new customers on board, and they said that's not possible. Set your sights on something realistic like 50. Well, after 30 days I'm at 22. So maybe we'll bring 200 new people on board. I hope so, and I hope you're one of them. If I can help you in any way, I do have videos prior to this one I'd like you to view, for the simple reason that it will answer 95% of your questions. Hopefully I've done a good job. And then when you view those, message me. I will put some links down below with my personal email, and I'll be more than happy to spend 10 minutes or 2 hours on the phone with you, whatever's needed. But I think the videos should be your starting point, and then write down any questions you may have that maybe you don't understand, and we'll get you started. So guys, you pull the trigger today, you'll have your first ATM land at your facility in a week's time, and your account will be set up and you'll be ready to put it out. So keep thinking about those locations. If you're in the business now, you have existing locations with maybe vending in big spots, or if you have amusement games, great spots for ATMs, guys. So add a little money to that portfolio of yours every month, and it's been easy for me so far. So I just wish I would have started sooner. So anyways, guys, appreciate your support here at the YouTube channel, and this is the amusement and vending playlist. For now, I'm out.